Hello again. Today we're going to make scrambled eggs. Tastes like eggs, smells like eggs, look like eggs without the cholesterol. Did I say cholesterol? Okay, let me spend a few seconds on cholesterol. What are the sources of cholesterol in the food that we eat? They come from animal, fish, eggs, beef, chicken, pork, you name it. They come from cholesterol. They have cholesterol in them. No plant has any cholesterol in it. Now, we've talked also about saturated fat. This is that fat that is solid at room temperature. When we ingest it, what happens is our body, to process it, has to create some cholesterol. I am going to stop there when it comes to the science and all. You want more information, send me a text. I'll send you more detailed information. Now, how do we get our eggs without cholesterol? I'll tell you the secret. Watch. We start with tofu. I get the tofu from Trader Joe's, the sprouted one. You can get this kind. It has to be firm or extra firm. You remove your tofu. You pat it dry. When it's firm or extra firm like this, you don't have to press it to remove the water. So I just get it, and I like this one in here, which is firm, extra firm, and the sprouted one because it stays a little bit moist. Okay, so you pat dry your tofu with a fork. You scramble it. So far very yellow, isn't it? Now, to make it look yellow like eggs, what you do is you add in it half a teaspoon of turmeric. You mix it. Okay. Then, I'll give you the secret last. You add half a teaspoon of black pepper that I crush in my mortar here. Mix the whole thing, and then the whole secret is something called Himalayan black salt. This is the whole secret. So when you crush that black salt, it smells like boiled eggs, cooked eggs. So it gives you that eggs smell for your food. So you put it in there, half a teaspoon. And remember, when it comes to ingredients, you do everything to your own taste. Now, mix the whole thing. You put it in here, in your plate. No oil, of course. Mix the whole thing until it becomes warm. Voila. That's it. Now, you have different ways of eating it. You can eat it just as it is, no problem. Or the other secret is, if you like things, your omelette to look very cheesy, nutritional yeast. You put in there, here I have half a cup of nutritional yeast, but remember, it's your food. You like it very cheesy, add more nutritional yeast to it. Here. Voila. That's it. You are done with your omelette, your scrambled eggs. Another secret. What can you eat it with? You can eat it with some mushroom. So here are some mushroom that I sauteed and added a little bit of soy sauce. Little tiny bit. I love that mushroom. It's a combination of oyster mushroom and some beach mushroom. I get it at the Asian store. So you put it as much as you want in there. You like mushroom, put a lot on it. You don't like it, don't use it. And you can also add some spinach. Here are some frozen spinach that I warmed up. You mix it in there. You love spinach, you put a lot of it. You don't like spinach, don't use it. It's your food, it's whatever you like. I love onions, so I sauteed some onions in here. Just cut the onion, put it into a pan that doesn't stick. Move it a little bit. It's release the flavor. I mix it in and mix it. Et voila. So here you have the basic one, nothing. The one with nutritional yeast. Oh, I love this one. And of course, what I call the works. Here I use mushroom and spinach and onions. You can use tomatoes. You can use whatever you enjoy in your scrambled eggs. So let me try. Oh la la. This is delicious. We eat it in this house. Sometimes I'll just take some bread. I'll toast the bread. I'll put something like that in it. We'll eat it with waffles. We'll eat it with everything. Viens ici, Coco. Allez, come here, Coco. Okay. So, thank you so very much. So, let's remember everything. Oh, I have to show you something. Look at this.